So hello friends, so today we are going to see the top 10 Japanese drama you should watch in 2020 and which are fresh new dramas. So let's start the video. On number 10 we have In the Blunt Box. This is the Japanese drama which was released in the 2020. In this drama, for the high school drama fan, going to be a lot of fun. It is adapted from the manga series. This followed the story of a five childhood friends who have grown up in the same apartment complex. There's a lot of complicated feelings and a love triangle between them as they mature into teenagers. So you can expect the romance, drama and jealousy all roll into one, plus lots of new actor faces to fall in this drama you will see. Also the love triangle and the drama and the comedy drama. It is a really worth watching drama. Go and watch this drama, the newly freshly released drama. On number 9 we have Are You Ready? Hey You Girl. Are You Ready? Hey You Girl. It is a series. In this series, we will see the comedy, romance, and a school drama, and also it is released on July 12, 2018. The Furuya Towa is a handsome guy who has always been a girl admirer, but has never had a girlfriend and remains a virgin. He resolves that he will get a girlfriend and casually pick the cool and the beautiful freshman Misono Miwa, a girl. When he attempts to spontaneously ask her out, she refuses him aggressively. But the more Towa thinks about her, the more he falls in love with her. This is adapted from the manga Kakugo wa Likya Sokona Joshi by Shiba Nani. Also, this drama shows the friendship and the jealousy, love triangle, and also the romance, and most probably the most comedy drama I have watched. So go and watch this drama and you will surely love in this drama. It will never make you bored. It is a really entertaining and a fun loving drama. On number 8 we have Don't You Think Girls Who Talk in Hakata Dialect Are Cute? It is a Japanese drama which was released in 2019. It is a comedy, life, romance, school and a youth drama. The series follows the story of a high school boy who lives in Tokyo and his childhood friend Hakata no Donoko-chan, who is a girl from Hakata and she really talks in a Hakata dialect. People around her sometimes get confused because of her languages, but her Hakata dialect makes them smile. And also she has a feeling for the boy, but the boy also has a feeling for her, but our boy is a really shy boy. But with the time their relationship becomes stronger day by day and he really enjoy her company and like to be always with her, and the romance bloom with them. And also their friends are so funny. You will surely going to love this comedy, drama, school, romantic drama, friendship drama and a youth drama. On number 7 we have Meet Me After School. It is a Japanese drama which was released in 2018. It is a romance and a school drama. This is a love story between the Akira Kurowa, a 14-year-old boy who knows nothing about love, and Hijiri Tsunenga, his new 25-year-old homeroom teacher. One fated summer, the Akira began to realize that he had the feeling for his homeroom teacher Hijiri, but Hijiri has a long-distance fiance. The story follows the pair over the course of several years. He starts to like her very much and also expresses his feelings to her. But after some day and after some time, the Hijiri also feels the same for him, but cannot express because of their age gap and her fiance. But also she cannot hide her feeling more long despite the love between them, but they are also get worried about age gap. But also their romance becomes strong day by day and they fall in love, deeply in love for each other, and not worrying about anything. But it is not easy for both of them. So go and watch this drama and you're surely going to see some unique drama. On number 6 we have Good Doctor. The Good Doctor is a 2018 Japanese drama which follows the journey of Minato Shinda, a boy, a passionate man with a Savant syndrome. Because of his elder brother's death when they were young, Minato dreams of becoming a doctor. He has an incredible memory, amazing memory, even able to memorize the human organ at the age of 7. This amazed the doctor Akira Shiga. After Minato graduates from medical school and passes the national exam for medical practitioner, the doctor Akira Shiga recommended this talented young man for the position in the pediatric surgery department. He recommended him because of his amazing talent, and then he started to work there, and also he met the new people and the girl, after which his life changes differently, and the romance bloom in his life, and also he has many ups and downs in his profession because of his syndrome, because of his different and unique behavior. Go and watch this drama and you're surely going to love this medical romance drama with the unique syndrome, and you will going to be entertained by watching this drama. On number 5 we have Switched. Switch is a Netflix Japanese drama which was released in 2018. In this, we have three friends, Shunpei Kaga, Koshira Mizumata, and Ayumi Kohinata. They have been close friends since they were children. The Koshira Mizumoto confesses feeling for a popular girl Ayumi Kohinata, her childhood friend, and the relationship developed romantically. On the day of their first date, the Ayumi Kohinata and her unpopular classmate Zenko Yunime, who herself considered as an ugly fat girl, suddenly changes body among each other. The Ayumi Kohinata is devastated and broken, and nobody believes her except for Shunpei Kaga. The Ayumi Kohinata look many ways to get her body back to her normal body as she was before, and when she wants her body back, the Zenko denied to give her body back because now she enjoy her new life as a popular girl, and then she don't want to become the same like before. It is a really good drama and a worth watching drama. On number 4 we have Followers. It is also the Netflix drama which was released in 2020. Follower contains the story of a people in Tokyo who are influenced directly or indirectly by social media networks. The Rimi Nara is a popular photographer, and Natsume Hayokata comes to Tokyo to achieve her dream of becoming an actress. It is not easy for Natsume Hayokata to become an actress in Tokyo because there is a lot of an ups and downs and obstacles and also a lot of competition. And also the Rimi Nara is a popular photographer, but she is not as happy as she has to be because there are many ups and downs come in her life also. So how these both girls defect every obstacle and fight for every situation and become a popular and deserving candidate. Go and watch this drama. On number 3 we have One Day I Will Sleep. It is also the Japanese drama which was released in 2020. In this, the high school girl Morino Hataru is struggling with her feelings as she is secretly in love with Otaka Ren, her classmate for almost 5 years, but she did not get the courage to confess her feelings to him. On the day of their school picnic, the school bus crashes down and the Hataru finds out that she is dead from a man dressed in a black clothes called as a Kuro, and he said that she have only 19 days to make her soul free from her body, or otherwise her soul will be entrapped forever and she will be declared dead forever, and she has only 19 days to make the things good. So what she does to make her free and how she confesses her feeling, but after so many time with the black man and the girl start to fall in love with each other and a story takes a new turn. And what happened next? Go and watch this drama and you're surely going to love this fantasy and unique drama. On number 2 we have Kiss Me at the Stroke of Midnight. The Kiss Me at the Stroke of the Midnight is a Japanese drama. In this, the Hinata is a sincere high school girl student with a good grade. She appears to be uninterested in a romance, but she actually dreams of having a good and popular boyfriend, a romance with a handsome boy. One day, a top star Kaede comes to Hinata High School to shoot a film. She noticed that Kaede stares at the female student birds. While Hinata takes part in the filming, she becomes attracted to the Kaede, who shows a natural and a tender side. The Kaede also become attracted to her due to her sincere and honest personality. Meanwhile, the Akira is Hinata's childhood friend and he holds a feeling for the Hinata. And Akira declares to the Kaede that he likes the Hinata and to stay away from her. But what happened next? You will surely going to love this. On number 1 we have Homeroom. The Homeroom is also the new freshly released 2020 Japanese drama. In this, the Rintaro Aida is a handsome teacher. One of his students, Sachiko Sakurai, endures the unpleasant situation every day, and the identity of the person who causes the trouble and unpleasant situation for her is not known. The Rintaro Aida always save her from all this unpleasant situation, and that's why the student, the simple and a sincere student, begins to have feeling for her homeroom teacher. But what Sachiko Sakura does not know is that Rintaro Aida likes her very much from beginning, and he is the behind all the unpleasant situation and all the problems she is facing. But he is doing this to save her. But what the problem she is facing and what he is doing to save her and why he is saving her, go and watch this drama and you will surely going to love this drama. It is a newly fresh drama.